guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys my very simple yet effective skincare routine. Most of you know that I recently completed a 6-week Exuviance skincare challenge. I basically just had to use their Exuviance Performance Peel AP25 pads. They are professional grade pads, but you do it at home and there's no downtime, so I didn't peel and my skin is a little bit on the sensitive side. Since doing that challenge, I received so many compliments from you guys and also a lot of strangers on the street because my skin is so radiant and it is super smooth, and when I apply my makeup it just looks really airbrushed. For me, it was important to maintain those results. Ulta is having a sale that I can't resist and you shouldn't resist. If you just want to gift it to someone, save it for yourself. Some of the benefits of using the Exuviance Performance AP25 peel pads are that you can see an improvement in fine lines and wrinkles, also a more even skin tone, texture, and radiance, and I fall right there. My skin was a lot more even, the texture was a lot smoother, and it's been weeks since my challenge ended. I have been able to upkeep my results using a simple yet effective skincare routine that I'm going to show you guys in this video, and I'm going to follow that with a no makeup look for the days that you want to put on some makeup but not really too much because you want to flaunt that beautiful skin that you have achieved using these peel pads. So I also picked up the Total Correct and Sculpt Serum, and this one diminishes lines and the appearance of dark spots. So once again, we're targeting those dark spots because that is going to make your skin just look a lot more radiant, and that is the benefit that I'm trying to get out of this. I have written about this on my blog. I love this product. It actually feels different from any other serum that you will ever apply. Try this out. You can go and feel it for yourself. It just feels really great, and I love how it makes my skin look. It always just looks really hydrated, and you'll see that because I do use this in the tutorial for you guys. Let's jump right into this tutorial. I'm really excited to show you guys how I treat my skin, and also this super no-brainer makeup tutorial. It's so easy, and yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys got something out of it. I definitely urge you guys to try out the Exuviance Performance Peel AP25 pads. Why not try it out and see if you can treat yourself to better skin? I love you guys, and till my next videos, stay beautiful.